Hello all, welcome to this session. This session is a continuation of the previous session where we are implementing the page object model and page factory design patterns in our project with an intention of removing the hard coding of the locators in our tests. So let's switch to the project and let's work on whatever that is left out. Okay, so under the src test java, under this we have the remaining files like 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So total 10 tests are there for which we have to remove the hard coding of the locators from. Okay, this session is a continuation of the previous session. I'll cut this at the rate test annotated method. It is a very lengthy one in this case, so it's kind of very lengthy. Let me cut this from here and move that to the register.java. Once we go to the register.java, here at the end, just write down, paste it here, and once pasted, what is the test case number? This test case number 18, right? So priority 18 will be there most probably. So it's a very lengthy test case, guys. Okay. And here earlier priority 17 is there. Here priority 18 will come. Priority is equal to 18. After this, let's look for the locators which are hard coded. This is first name field. So here write down register page, register page dot. Okay. Okay, here we are creating the web element actually. Here we are creating the web element, and on the web element, we are retrieving the things. So Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Let's go back. Let's go back. Here, this web element is already represented in the page class. Under the register page, it is already there. This first name field is already there. I'll just remove that, and here we need to get the CSS value. Okay, get CSS, get the height of the element. Okay, so for this to happen, to get the height, copy this part, guys. Okay, and go to the register page. Where's the register page? Go to the register page, and here already first name field is there. Here write down public void get first name field height. Like this, create a method and paste this and say return. And here, what is the return type of this? String type. Give that as a string. That's it. Done. Apart from that, we also have to get the width also. Copy this part. Go here and create a method public string get last name field width. Sorry, first name field width. First name field width. And here write down return first name field dot width. Once this is also done, then go back here and here write down register page dot get first name field height. Okay, here I need to say get first name field height dot get first name field height. Here write down register page dot get last name sorry first name field width. Okay, here width, and put a semicolon here. That's it. Assertions are being done. We have removed the hard coding of the locators here. Here first name field dot send keys is there. So here I'll write down register page dot enter first name, and here in the first name don't enter anything. It's like this. Okay, first name field dot send keys, enter first name, and then click on the continue button. We need to click on the continue button here. Register page dot click on continue button. Once you click on the continue button, So this warning message should come. There is a warning message here that should come. This is a warning message which is coming from the first name field. So here to get this warning message, we just have to write register page dot get first name warning. Control Shift F. Okay, save. Then here first name field. Okay. So here, once we navigate away from the page and all right, you will get this kind of tail element reference exception. So we are assigning this again, driver.find element by.id, this thing, we are assigning it again. So what we can do here is, so in this case, instead of writing like this, write down register page is equal to new register page of parser driver again. Automatically, all the web elements will get reinitialized here. Okay. All the web elements will get reinitialized by doing this process because the constructor will be called and all the web elements will get initialized. Again, all these things will be initialized. I don't have to do anything. Here, first name field dot clear. Here, register page dot clear. Okay, clear first name field is not there so far. So here, create a method public void clear first name field. Clear first name field and say first name field dot clear. Simply write down first name field dot clear. Save this. Come back here and simply write down register page dot clear first name field. That's it. Remove this part and we have to enter this into the first name field. Register page dot enter first name, that is give this value here. Okay, this part is all done. Then register page dot click on continue button, the semicolon, remove this part. Okay, now here you should see whether asset false. Warning message should not be displayed. Okay, warning message should not be displayed. That's why asset false is there. So how to verify that the warning message is not displayed here? So here is displayed is there. So here I'll write down public void display is first name warning displayed. I'll write down like this. And here the first name warning related element is there in the top. First name warning. First name warning, copy this, is displayed, return Boolean value. If this is not displayed, first name warning is not displayed. Okay. We have to write this try catch block there itself. I think so. Right. Mm-hmm. Control Z. Okay. Asset dot asset false. Asset dot asset true true. What does it mean? If there's an exception means it got displayed. So if this, 1 minute, here asset dot asset false driver dot find element. If the warning message is not displayed, let's say, here this won't be there and this will result in no such element exception. If it results in no such element exception, then we are good to go, right? But what if it comes? What if this is spread is returned true, but we are expecting false? It should not come, we are expecting. So what is the logic I have written here? No such element exception, asset dot asset true. If it is displayed, If you get no such element exception means we can pass the test. We can simply pass the test here, right? Here we don't even have to write asset dot asset to asset dot asset dash. Same thing we have to write. That's okay. Asset dot asset true of true. That means we are passing the test because there is no element coming, so that's fine. But how to verify this? Something I'm just checking. For example, in this case, we are checking the display status. There we have to write try catch block there itself. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Here I have written, guys. What if this particular element is not displayed? Here itself, first name field dot is displayed is a thing. First name field. Okay, I'm writing first name warning dot is displayed. Here I need to write try catch block. For example, let's try this out. What we can give it as solution catch. No such element exception E. And here I'll write down return true or false. With the help of true or false, can we do anything? If it is displayed, let's say first name warning dot is displayed. Okay. Okay. So here I'll write a line that is Boolean status is equal to false. Now here I'll say status is equal to first name warning dot is displayed. If it is displayed, it will return the status true. But if you get no such element exception here from Selenium, then status is equal to false. The element is not displayed, we'll write. Okay. Here at the end, I'll say return status. Some status I'm going to return here. Okay. Some status I'm going to return here, either true or false. Status is equal to, if no such element exception is coming means equal false. Status is equal to return status. Status is equal to, if I assume that, for example, assume that here first name warning is displayed. One of the cases like is displayed is returning true. If it is case, it is returning. If it is displayed means it will simply return true here. Is warning displayed means true, and here we are expecting what? It should not be displayed. But if it is displayed, then if it is displayed, this test will fail anyhow. That case is okay for me. Okay. Second case where register page and the element is not displayed. In that case, no such element exception will come. And if I say status false if I say, and if I return status as false here, and if I go here, and if the here false is coming, let's say if false is coming here, false of false, you are expecting false and it is also happening false, the test will pass. The test will pass. Right. That's all good, right? Yeah, that is good. You can remove the try catch blocks from here and simply write a single assertion and remove all this stuff. Here, write down stuff like this. Register page dot is first name warning displayed. Okay, if the warning is not displayed, if the warning is not displayed, the status will be false and the test will pass anyhow. If the warning is displayed, this will return true, the test will fail. Okay, so that's how we have simply modified this, and then Again, you see, you are reassigning this. Instead of reassigning, you have to write register page is equal new register page of driver here. Okay, after this is done, you don't have to do it. Then you have to say register page dot clear email field, sorry, clear first name field, clear first name field. Looks like this is going to take a lot of time. The script is very lengthy. Register page dot enter first name, and here write down, copy this and paste it here and remove this part. Save this. Register page is called new register page after register page dot clear first name field register page dot enter first name. Asset dot asset false driver dot find element, and here say dot is displayed. Again the same thing, right? Again the same thing. So it should not come. Again, this line only we have to write. Where is that line? Asset dot asset false register page dot is displayed. We have to write here. That's enough. Then again the same thing. Again, we have to say register page is called new register page of the driver, and here these things are not required. Again, register page dot clear field, and then this part is done, and then register page dot enter first name, and in the enter first name in place of the AB, you have to give this another data here. Okay. Okay, every time you need to click on the continue button, guys. Okay, copy this and paste it here. And here also, you need to click on the continue button. Remove this part and write the same thing. Write the same assertion here. Done. Okay. Save this. We have removed the hard coding of the locator so far. Again, the same thing. Register page is equal new register page. Remove these two lines now. Then register page dot clear first name field. Then register page dot enter first name. The enter first name. Write down this part. Enter this part here. Remove this thing. And then say register page dot click on continue button. Okay. Then again the same thing. Done. Then register page is called new register page of driver. Clear this. Clear first name field. Then enter first name. Copy this. Paste it here. Remove this part. Then say register page dot click on continue button. Then clear this part. Then here what is happening? Here again the same asset dot asset equals is there. Asset dot asset equals. Warning message need to come here. Okay, the warning message should come here. Initially, expected warning is what? This is expected warning. Asset dot asset equals get first name warning. Copy this part. Okay, get first name warning, and here should match with the expected warning. Here for the last name field, remove this element. Okay, and create the methods here. Create these methods, guys, again. The same methods will be there most probably. Get first name field height, first name field width, clear first name field is first name warning displayed. All the things will be same. Copy all this stuff. Okay, for the first name field, whatever the methods were there, just paste them. For the last name, get last name field height, last name field dot get last name field width. Here last name field dot, then here clear last name field. Here write down last name field dot clear. Here is here I have to write is first name warning displayed. Then here first name warning should be there actually. Okay. Okay, here save all. Go back. whether it's our last name related stuff, errors are there, that's okay. Okay, then last name field dot clear, and here also last name warning dot is displayed, false, false, return, something like this. Save this and come back here and simply write down register page. 1 minute. Yeah, register page dot get last name field height. Put a semicolon here. Here also register page dot get last name field width. Put a semicolon here. That's also done. Then asset dot asset equals. The thing is good. This is also fine. Continue button. So here continue button dot click. This element you can remove for the first. Okay, here why we are assigning this is we have to do it again. Okay. After clicking on that, the connection will be lost. So it's better do one thing. After you click on the continue button, the connection of the web elements will be gone. So just write down wherever it is possible. Okay, register page is called new register page. You write it, and after that here continue button will be there. Initialized, and everything will be good. So far expected warning, and here write down register page dot clear last name field. Then register page dot enter last name, and in this give this, don't enter anything, simply. Then here we need to click on the continue button, register page dot click on continue button, put a semicolon here, remove this part, and we have to write the assertion here. The same thing, a same type of assertion. Here we need to write down get that warning message, that is register page dot get last name warning message, last name warning. Okay, Control Shift F, and here remove this, and here again we need to reassign this stuff. Instead of reassigning this stuff, you simply say register page is called new register page. It will be reassigned anyhow. Okay, this all will be reinitialized. Then register page dot clear last name field, register page dot enter last name. The enter last name, you enter this one, and then register page dot click on continue button and remove this part. Remove this 2 lines also. We are good to go. Here this time we should get warning message should not be displayed. For that already we have written the lines. Okay, just remove this part, asset dot asset false, and remove this part also. Come back here, and here in place of is displayed and all, write down here, write down register page, register page dot is last first name warning displayed. First name warning displayed is there, but about last name warning is, okay, sorry, here get first name warning displayed here, last name, last name warning displayed. Okay, his last name warning displayed, we have to write. Save this, and here write down dot is last name warning displayed. Okay, again here the same thing, register page is called new register page. Copy this, paste it here. Okay, copy and paste that here. Okay, next register page is called new register page here. The next thing here is continue button is equal to Once you do this, this one is not required anymore. And clear last name field. Then register page dot enter last name. And here give AB as a last name. Then register page dot click on continue button. Then assert dot assert false. Assert dot assert false. His last name warning displayed. Then write down here register page is equal new register page. Remove these lines. Clear last name field. Enter last name. Click on continue button. So here also last name warning message should not be displayed. Again the same thing. Register page is equal new register page. Then here these two lines you remove. Then clear last name field. Then enter last name. Give this last name. Then click on continue button here. Remove this line. And with this, again the same assertion. Paste this. Again the same thing here also. Write down register page is called new register page. Constructor will be called and constructor will be called and they will be reinitialized. The elements will get reinitialized. Then clear last name field. Then enter last name. This is the last name you are entering this time. And you need to click on the continue button. That is register page dot click on continue button. And once that is done, here we should get the warning. Here should get the warning message. For that to happen, here you write down register page dot get last name warning. Control Shift F done. Then again here email field you are declaring. I think there's no need of creating the email field. For the email field, we have to do all this stuff again. Go to this and copy all this stuff. Copy these methods for the email field. And here write get email field height, get email field width, get a clear email field. Then is email warning displayed. Here write down email warning dot is displayed. Okay, that's it. I think so. Here also, instead of last name, we have to write email. Go to the top and copy this email field. Just come down here and write on email field dot get CSS value, all the stuff clear. Okay, all the things are good. Already clear email field is already created, guys. We can remove that somewhere here in the above. We have already created that. Here, simply write down. And before doing anything, just write this. And then write down register page dot get email field height. Here write down register page dot get email field width. Then here write down, I think this is fine. Again here I need to say register page is equal to new register page of driver. Remove this one. Continue button related stuff you remove. And here you write down email field dot clear. That is register page dot clear email field. Remove this register page dot enter email. And here you write down this email address. lengthy email address, you write it down here. And then remove this line. Then register page dot, click on continue button. Remove this. So here write down register page. Sorry. Here write down asset dot asset false. Here I'll write down is register page dot is email warning displayed. Control Shift F. Done. Next one, telephone field. For the telephone field, what we have to do? For the telephone field, again, we have to say register page is called new register page, first of all, of the driver. This is the first thing. Then remove this telephone field thing. Then here, go here and copy paste these things. One, yeah, these four methods you repeat here. And here, guest, telephone field, height, get, telephone field width, clear, telephone field is telephone warning displayed. Okay, all this stuff. And here, take the web element of the telephone field, copy this web element of the telephone field, and just provide that telephone field dot, telephone field dot, telephone field dot. Okay, that's it. I think everything is going well. Here, instead of last name warning, you have to say, okay, in the email, telephone warning. Okay, say telephone warning. Okay, save this. That's it. Come back here and write down register page dot get telephone field height. Put a semicolon. Then register page dot get telephone field width. Put a semicolon. Then telephone must be between 3 and 32 characters. Here, remove this. Telephone must be between 3 and 32 characters. Then we have to clear the telephone field here. Register page dot clear telephone field. Then register page dot enter telephone number. Give that. Then register page dot click on continue button. Then okay. So here we need to retrieve the warning message of the telephone field. Register page dot get telephone field warning. Control Shift F and reduce this line. And here again the same things will be repeated. Then here write down copy this and just paste it here. And then clear these fields. They will be reinitialized anyhow. Then simply write down clear telephone field. In place of this, write clear telephone field. Here, you need to write enter telephone number. Just write down here and copy this text and paste it here and remove this. Register page dot click on continue button. Register page dot click on continue button. Then here, we have to write down, we have to get the warning message here for the telephone field. Should get the warning message for the telephone field. Same thing you write. Just to write down this one. Then next one, register page is called new register page. Then here again remove this part. Then clear telephone field. Then copy this, enter telephone number. Paste it here. Copy this here. Copy this here. Remove this part. Then we need to click on the continue button. Once we click on the continue button, here write down We should get the warning message here. Asset dot, asset equals get the warning message here. That's also done. Then again, register page is equal to new register page. Remove these two lines. Then clear the telephone field. Then enter the text into the telephone field. And here this time you enter ABC here instead of AB. Copy paste this one. Remove this. And here we need to click on the continue button. And then we have to see whether the warning message should not be displayed actually. For that warning message should not be displayed, what we have to do here, remove this assert and then remove this thing. And in place of this is displayed, you write down register page dot is telephone warning displayed. That's it. Okay. That part is done. Copy this part and write down here and then remove these two lines. Again, say copy these two lines and paste it here and actually copy these three lines. Okay. This will be better. And then remove, just copy this A, B, C, D thing here. Okay. And then clear all these things here. Okay. Here for A, B, C. One minute. Passenger, register account, ABC, continue. No warning message coming. If I give AB here, then continue. 3 and 32 characters. Okay. From 3 characters onwards, warning message should not be displayed. From when you give 3 characters here in ABC, warning message should not be displayed. Why I'm checking with 4 characters then 3 is fine, right? Okay. That's okay. The next one is copy this, paste it here. That's it. Okay. Again, register page is equal to new register page. Remove these lines and then copy these 3 fields, paste it here. Clearing is done. In one of the thing you write down this one and here remove all this stuff and warning message should not be displayed. Copy paste this one. That's it. Copy this. Most of the things are copy paste here. Paste this. Then here remove these lines. Then here copy paste these lines. Actually 4 lines you can copy paste. This clear you can remove and this text you copy and paste it here. And then you don't need any of this stuff now. Then again register page is equal to new register page. You have to write to reinitialize the elements. Then again here 3 lines you write down for now. Clear part you remove. And in place of this you write this one. Then after that we need to click on the continue button. Everything is done. And here we should get the warning message. So here write down register page dot get telephone warning, F control shift F. Okay, this part is also done. The next field, password field, we have to verify. Remove the web element here for the password field. And here what are the methods we have here? The same thing. I think same. Go here, copy. If not, I will remove anyhow. All these 4 methods you copy paste for the password field also. Get password field height. Get password field height. Get password field width. Clear password field. Is password field warning displayed? And here go to the top and copy this password field. Come down and paste it here. Password field, password field, password field, and here password warning. Password warning is displayed. That's it. Okay, we created the methods. Now come back and just copy this line, just paste it here. Then here write down register page dot get password field height. Here write down register page dot get password field width. Put a semicolon here. Put a semicolon here. Then remove these lines. Okay, here. Anyhow, we recreated this. These elements are not required anyhow now. We can simply write down register register page clear dot clear password field. Then register page dot enter password, and here give that empty password. That is no password indirectly. Then register page dot click on continue button. Then remove this, and here we should get the warning message. Register page dot get password warning. Control Shift F. Here Control Shift F. Done. Remove this part, and here copy this, paste it here. Remove these two lines, not required. Then write down clear password field. These three items I'll write to see what will happen. Then copy this part and paste it here. And now you can remove these two lines, and here also we have to write the same thing. The next one, again copy this, remove these two lines, copy these four lines. Here give AB. Instead of A, give AB. And here you can remove all this stuff. Again copy this, paste it here, remove these two lines, ABC. So copy all these four lines, paste it. In place of AB, you give ABC. Now remove all these lines. That's it. Now copy this, paste it here, remove these two lines. Okay, again, here this time what is there? Is displayed is there, which is only three lines you copy. And then clear is there, A, B, C, D this time. You should not get the warning message this time. So what I'll do here is remove this and remove this part also. And here in place of this, you write down register page dot is password warning displayed. Control Shift F. Done. Then again copy this, paste it here, remove these lines. Okay. Copy these four lines. In place of A, B, C, D, just give A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, and here remove all this stuff. Then register page is called new register page. Remove these two lines. Again, warning message should not be displayed. Copy these four lines, paste it here, and here this text you paste it here in place of A, B, C, D, E, and remove all these lines till here. Now copy this, paste it here, remove these two lines. Again the same thing. Copy this. Okay, where is that fourth line? Okay, copy these four lines, paste it here. In place of that, just copy this and paste this here. Remove all this stuff. That's it. Copy this again, paste it here, remove these 2 lines, again copy these 4 lines, paste it here, give this text, then remove all these lines. Again copy paste this one. I know this is a lengthy script. It is taking time, that's okay. Then actual warning dot equals expected warning. Okay, first of all, let's write down this one and remove this. Then second, write down this one, enter password and copy paste this one and remove this part. Then copy this part and click on the continue button and remove this part. Fine. Here what we are doing, here we are retrieving the text and we are getting the state. That means driver.find element, that warning message, actual warning. If it is equal to the expected warning, then state is equal to true, otherwise state is equal to false. So what we can do here in this place? Okay. The warning message doesn't come, then the test is going to fail, right? Okay, looks like, yeah, fine. Warning message is displayed, then return true. The warning message is not written, then return false. So is password warning displayed? I think that's the same thing, right? So is there any way I can reduce this logic a bit? Okay. Already we created is password warning message displayed. Okay. So in that, but here we have to match with the expected warning also to return the state as true. Otherwise, we cannot return. Is warning message displayed and is matching with the expected warning? Something we have to see. Okay. So I'll just create another method here. Control C, Control V. Displayed and matching. Displayed and matching. And here write string expected warning. Okay. Here remove this code. And in place of that, write this code. Copy all this code. Cut and paste it here. Boolean state is equal to false. And then string actual warning is equal to here. Here we are getting the warning message. We are retrieving the warning message here. Okay. Where we are retrieving the warning message actually. Is there any method for retrieving the warning message? Let's say. Get password warning is the one, right? Call this method. Call this method, guys. Get password warning. Get text will be there and Yeah, this will get the password warning. Control V. Once you get the password warning, and if that password warning matches with the expected warning here, state is equal to true. Otherwise, if it is not, then state is equal to false. Return false. Okay. Otherwise, state will be return state. Sorry, return state. The state will be true or false. If it is coming and then matching, then only true. Otherwise, false. So here I'll use this assert dot assert true. We are expecting it to be true, guys. Okay, we are expecting that to be true. Then register page. Simply I'll write down register page dot is password warning displayed and matching and match and expected warning we are going to pass here. That's it. Here confirm password related stuff. The last one, guys, almost the last one we have reached. Simply here write down register page is equal to new register page. And here write down register page is equal to new register page. Then write down come down here and write down copy these fields. Four fields you copy. Paste it here. Not will delete the fields if they are not of use. Password confirm field height. Password confirm field width. Password confirm clear password confirm field is password confirm warning displayed. Okay, now go to the top and take that element, password confirm field element, come back here down and give that password confirm field, password confirm field, password confirm field here, password confirm warning, confirm warning. Okay, save this, save all, come to the register, and then what you have to do the difference here. What is the difference you have to do here? Should not be writing like this. Remove this part. Register page dot get password confirm field height. Register page dot get password confirm dot get password dot get password confirm field width. Put a semicolon here, put a semicolon here. Then next one. Okay, that's it. Here, navigating to another page, register page, just for sake. Here we are taking the screenshot. Here, this kind of statement should not be there though. Navigate to register page, take screenshot. Okay, fine. This one, okay. Here I'll create a method here that is the extends base is already there. Just go to the base and here write down create a method that is public void navigate to register page. Here driver dot and pass web driver here. Driver dot navigate to Here, what if tomorrow the URL changes? There's another problem we have here. Okay. So we'll go to the properties file. App URL is there. The app URL, the extra part is this one, right? Otherwise, you can simply copy this part and simply say register page URL is equal to, instead of hard coding it, we'll write it here. Okay, go back to the register.java and just come down. Go here, the base.java, and simply write down string URL, string URL. Navigate to URL, you just write it down here. Copy this, paste it here. Then go to the register.java and call the method here. That is, what is the method? Navigate to register page. Okay. Here I'll simply write down navigate to register page, and I need to pass the driver here, comma. I need to pass the URL also. What is the URL? Prop.get property, and the property name is register page URL. Give that here, and in double quotes you give that property name. That's it. We are good to go. And after that, we have to take a screenshot here. So already we have created a usable method for taking the screenshot, I think so. Let's see here. Did we create any? Compare screenshot is there, but okay. For taking the screenshots, we didn't create any reusable method though. Okay, fine. Anyhow, for taking the screenshot, there is a different thing. Whenever you want to take a screenshot, you need to call that method and then take the screenshot. How to do that? You have to get the screenshot and file handler dot copy. Copy to which path and all those stuff should be there again. And we are comparing the screenshots here. Save all. And here, Control Shift O, save all. Yeah. Okay. Till here it is fine, guys. Here, register page actual alignment for which browser? This is Chrome. Is it same? For different browser, different things we have put. That's okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So fine. Here we are verifying some assertions, but here taking the screenshot code is there, guys. Okay. So what we can do is we can create a reusable method which contains this code and to copy paste that and all those stuff. File handler, everything should be there. Copy these three lines here, first of all. You simply need to take a screenshot here. That's it. Okay. So copy these three lines and here go to, do we have to go to base or common utils? We have to think the base, open browser and application is there. Let's go to common utils. Okay. And put it here. Sorry. Create a method, public void, take screenshot, and here write down, pass the driver here, first of all, web driver. Import this. Apart from the driver, here one more thing is register page, register.java. And here, once you navigate to this page, what if this particular method returns a driver? That will be good, right? Driver is equal to, we can write. Okay, so let's go to that method once. Here, simply say return driver. Here, web driver. Save this, and here come back and simply say driver is equal to. That's it. And here take screenshot that driver we are typecasting here. Okay, the three lines we copy pasted already. Here also we are passing the driver and string path to be copied. Okay, like this I'll write and simply copy these lines, three lines, and go to the common utils and paste it. Okay, we are passing the driver here. Source screenshot is there here. Surround with try catch block is also there here. Everything is there. Okay, then here this one should not be there here, rather it should be path to. Okay, path to be copied here like this. Okay, append this like this. Okay, fine, that is good. Save this, and you just need to pass these two things. To take the screenshot, take screenshot. This is a common utils. We have to call this method from the common utils. I'll just make it static here so that we can directly call it common utils dot something like that. Go to the register.java and simply say common utils dot take screenshot, pass a driver, and here pass a path also. Whatever the path you want to get this particular thing copied to, you just pass the path. Now remove all this stuff. It will be done properly now. Remove these lines. Yeah. And here this take screenshot should return you the driver back. Where is the take screenshot? Common utils, and make sure that it returns the driver also. Return driver after the task is done. It has to return the driver. Here web driver, you write down. Save this. Register page. Register. Okay. Then it will return the driver here. Give that. And here, fine. Browser dot equals Chrome. If it is equal to Chrome, we are verifying this with this one. Okay. Firefox, then this one. Edge, this one. I think we are good. Now we have successfully removed the hard coding of the locators from all the things. Close all. Now go to the register dot 18th one. 18th test. Only run the 18th one, guys, for now because it's the lengthy one. Let's run only this 18th one to see whether it is working fine or not. Just clicking on the run option on this 18th test case, which took a lot of time for us to remove the hard coding of the locators from it. A lot of reusable methods also we have created as part of that. Is it working or not? We have to see first of all. From first to ending, the starting to ending, it should work, guys. Okay. Let it run. Still running. Still running. Let it run. Okay, it's verifying the password fields now. Yeah, the test may fail, guys. There is a reason the test may fail. Expected true but found false. Yeah, the test may fail. There is a reason why it may fail. You go to that, in which line it got failed. Restart.java. This line, yes. You see, for the password field, the warning message should come and it should match, but it's not matching. I'll just comment this out so that it will not fail and run the remaining part, that screenshot part we can verify. But ultimately, this line will fail definitely, okay? Because there is a defect in the application, it's definitely going to fail. Let me run it again to see whether after commenting that assertion, whether the things are working fine or not, okay? Yeah, the scripts are running. This time, the screenshot part also should be good. Let's see how it goes. Next one. Yeah, test got passed. Everything is working fine then. I'll just uncomment that line. Just intentionally commented it. But after removing the hard coding of the locator, the script is working fine. It's working as per the requirement. Okay, remove these lines. Remove this comment and save this. So with this, we have successfully completed the 18th test case also. Control Shift O, save all. 18th test case also completed, guys. Let's delete the 18th test case, which took a lot of time for us. And apart from the 18th, what do we have? 19th one, which is simple. What about 20? 20 is also very simple. It did not take much time. 21 doesn't take much time. 22 doesn't take much time. 23 kind of not that so much time. Okay, fine. 24 is also cool. 25 also fine. 26 also fine. 27 is also fine. I think then the next session will complete everything, guys. Okay. In this session, mostly 18th test case took a lot of time for us to remove the hard coding of the locators and to make the things in a proper way. Hope you have learned something new in this particular session. But still, we have nine more test cases, but they are very simple test cases. I don't think in a single, I don't think it will take a lot of sessions. In a single session, I'll be able to remove the hard coding of the locators from 90 to 27. So that's all for this session, guys. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.